Christmas cactus. Hello friends. In this video, we are going to talk about a beautiful and popular plant called the Christmas cactus, known scientifically as schlumbergera. This unique cactus blooms in the winter season, around Christmas time. Introduction to the Christmas cactus. The Christmas cactus is native to the rainforests of Brazil and is loved for its beautiful flowers that appear in winter. This plant requires specific care to grow well and reward you with its stunning blooms. Proper lighting. The Christmas cactus needs indirect light. Direct sunlight can damage its delicate leaves. The best place for this plant is somewhere with plenty of light, but not direct sunlight, such as behind a sheer curtain. Ideal temperature. This plant prefers temperatures between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. In winter, it's better to keep the temperature slightly lower to encourage blooming. However, make sure the temperature does not drop below 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Watering. The Christmas cactus requires regular watering. Its soil should always be moist but not waterlogged. The best way is to water the plant whenever the top layer of soil dries out. Reduce the watering frequency in fall and winter. Soil and pot. Use a special cactus soil mix with good drainage for the Christmas cactus. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom and causing root rot. Fertilizing. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, use a balanced houseplant fertilizer every 2 weeks. Stop fertilizing in fall and winter to allow the plant to rest and prepare for blooming. Repotting. The Christmas cactus needs repotting every 2 to 3 years. The best time to do this is after it has finished blooming in spring. Choose a slightly larger pot and carefully transfer the plant to avoid damaging the roots. Flower care. To encourage more blooming, place the plant in a cooler and less lit location during fall. Also, avoid sudden temperature changes and frequent movement of the plant, as this can cause bud drop. Pruning. Prune the Christmas cactus immediately after it has finished blooming. When the plant enters a new growth phase and begins to extend its new segments, pruning encourages it to produce new branches and more of its attractive stems. Each year, you can remove up to 1/3 of the plant during the pruning process. Remember, if you wish to prune more extensively, you can also trim the tips of 1 or 2 sections of the stems. The Christmas cactus is a beautiful and vibrant plant that, with proper care, can thrive in your home for many years and bloom beautifully each winter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our future educational videos. Thank you for joining us.